Today's video is about the marvel that a cell is. All living beings are made up of cells, the smallest building block of our existence. Be it the simplest bacteria or the most complex and complicated being like humans, all are made up of cells. Have you ever wondered what marvel these itsy bitsy cells are, especially the animal cells? Well, to begin with, totipotency. Some cells are totipotent, which means these cells have the ability to convert into any other required cell in the body. These cells are called stem cells and can be found in dental growth tissue, placenta, and blood of newborn babies. They convert into any other cell as required by the organ and thus help to replace worn out tissue or repair a damaged one. Self-repair. We saw that a stem cell helps organs to repair, but what if the cell gets damaged itself? During the process of physiology and daily life activities, the cells tend to have some malfunctions. This happens in terms of abnormalities in DNA strand, RNA strand, protein arrangements, etc. Of all these, DNA repair is crucial and happens almost every day. The cells immediately correct the malfunction for their stability. If unable to correct, they go for self-destruction. Apoptosis. Heard of this term before? Well, this is what the process of self-destruction of cells is called. When the cell gets damaged beyond repair or a faulty DNA is formed, the cell undergoes self-destruction or cellular suicide in order to save the other cells around it. Do you know if this phenomenon fails to take place, what can happen? Cancer. Yes, if the new cells are formed but the old damaged ones do not die to make place for them, cancer is what results. A moment of silence for all those selfless brave cells who sacrifice their lives for the rest of us. Moving on, a complete blueprint. A single cell has a complete blueprint of all the information that is needed to create a complete organism from it. Amazing, isn't it? The genetic matter in the cells is nothing but encrypted information about the biology, psychology, characteristics, and personality of the complete organism. A small point of reflection here. Imagine how great the coder is who generates the trillions and trillions of cells, all with a different set of codes that result into an entirely different creature depending on the set of code it is encrypted with. Subhanallah. Cells are self-sufficient. And last but not the least, these nano-microscopic chemical factories are completely self-sufficient. It means the cells themselves manufacture everything that constitutes them and produce energy for self-sustenance. Here's a brain teaser for you all. I'm a cell. I make connections in your brain that process and store information. Who am I? Comment the answer down below.